Hello, my name is Karen King. Have you noticed that human willpower is insufficient to carry us from an idea to its fulfillment? Personal or human will is behind our New Year's resolutions that dissipate after a few weeks, or the need for course corrections after making choices we regret. It's important to know this about yourself. Whatever you decide to do, when the inspiration comes from within, that inner will help you succeed. The will from within gives you the strength to achieve your goal. Now, let's take a moment and do a meditation on will. In the brain's frontal lobe lies the energy vortex for the power of spiritual will. I concentrate my attention on this area responsible for executive functioning, such as my ability to focus verbally and visually, to remember and make connections between ideas, and to choose. I shine the silver light of will throughout the front of my brain, across my forehead, and up to the crown of my head. I clear my busy brain of preconceived notions and all false imaginings. Centered in spiritual will, I affirm my capacity to choose, guided by my companion powers of understanding, wisdom, and imagination. I am able to draw from infinite possibilities one divine idea. This one divine idea seems to catch hold of me. It appears as my powerful desire. It becomes rooted in my awareness as mine. I affirm my capacity to commit to a path ahead. I will be a blessing. I will live as the light of the world. I set upon a course of action that supports my choice. I live in integrity, honoring my commitment and holding myself accountable to do what I say I will do. I affirm my willingness. I am willing. I am willing to remain attuned to the source of all good. I allow life to unfold. I acquiesce to the truth, and I cooperate with the impulse of my divine identity. I am willing to be centered, unruffled as time passes and light shines on my path ahead. I am willing to courageously decide what I will have, do, and be. I am willingly to boldly reach out for my next goal. I am willing to stretch beyond perceived limits. I am willing to walk with confidence into my future. I am willing to risk being vulnerable in love. I am willing to listen without feeling threatened. I am willing to experience the joy of living today. I am willing to be purposeful, to know I am divine. Divine will is my spiritual name and nature. I'm willing to be the light of the world wherever I am and whatever the circumstances. And I begin at this very moment to shine that light. And so it is.